Yeah, I'm mashing on my side, son.
Because all of them you use. I don't use any of them.
You don't use just salad dressing?
No, I don't have to. I can eat it without it.
I mean, don't make me see you use no salad dressing then.
So if I use salad dressing, what are you gonna do?
Alright, shit, can you say you don't use
This is what I want to find out. What are you gonna do if I use salad dressing?
Let me see you don't use the salad dressing. Alright, since you don't want it. Alright.
Hey what that? Oh. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have, what we have, my love? Because are you prepared to know?
Real jerk chicken this time, not in the oven made. This one was done on the grill, you know? I'm gonna bring you a video for the one on the grill. You know what I'm saying? And I have some sumaran, aka fish. And then go to first, they tell them about.
And then we have a strawberry salad that prepared by my mother. Yes, a strawberry salad.
Strawberry.
And then we just have some white rice. But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. You like it? I love it. And anybody else, you better not like it.
What?
What's going on?
Good.
That's what's going on. Okay.
The strawberry has spinach in it too. Strawberry salad has spinach and lettuce.
Strawberry have spinach on the other side. Alright, family, here we go. Give you a little close up. First lady. You gotta get my thing in a close up. Chill on my you done stop going. Alright, family, look. This is the jerk chicken I made. What?
Where's the onion?
Oh man, we gotta go get that.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Just look at it. I did it on the grill today. Yeah.
We'll be right back.
We got it.
Okay, family, we are back. We got the onions. You know, somebody can't yum white rice without my onions. Especially when eating fish.
And you know, we got it on deck. What's that? Onion.
Onion.
Up on my fish, me want it, you know, my you don't know where you give me that pan, no. My fish alone, me want it pan. It's hot and spicy. You already know what first they do with this onion. I can't even say it. Got a cover. Alright, family, so you know, I got my special jerk sauce I made. Look at this right here.
Can I have some of mine too?
I got you. I got you. I gotta put some of my special sauce. You know what I'm saying? What do you want? What do you think?
Chicken. That's good.
That's good? That's my special sauce right there, you know?
How many people have a container that has something else other than what it's meant for?
Comment. For real. Exactly. That's how fast we be going through them stuff.
Yeah, we love coconut oil. Oh.
How everybody had a happy Easter.
Yes.
We sure did.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying?
I hope you guys enjoyed the prank that we did on my mother.
Oh my gosh.
It was epic. If you didn't see it, you missed out.
So go watch it.
You know, our channel is not a prank channel, but every once in a while, we gotta get somebody.
You gotta get somebody for real.
Right.
Let them feel that draft.
Yeah.
For real. But yeah. You know? You get them none? You get them none, okay?
Woo.
Oh yeah.
Hot man, but good man.
Family.
You guys want some?
Family.
All right, here you guys go.
This chicken is so good.
Wait, you guys, you already gave them chicken, right? I'm gonna give them some fish. Yeah. I'm in a happy mood today. Ooh. Give the flaky white part.
Good happy.
Flaky white part. All right.
They're good. They're good enough. They don't need them because they know you eat that. So they don't want to take too much from you. Wow. Family, I don't even know where to start. We got so much goodness over here. You know? For love of some jerk chicken. Okay. I'm gonna have to bring it to y'all.
Fish season well, man.
You season good?
Yep. Woo!
Wowzers.
That video was so funny. We got my mother good. I tell you, good.
So good. So make sure you watch it. Mama Duke.
I'm hungry.
What? Hot?
No man, you season the fish. The fish bad, bad. You season the fish. Good.
Nice. I love it. Family, we had a lot of run up and downs this week.
You sure did.
A lot. But you know, back to the home cooked meal now.
Exactly. You guys know when you have family members come, you gotta take care of them, right? I know Easter was a couple of days ago, but I just realized we didn't ask you guys where you guys cooked for Easter, what you guys did.
For real? What y'all did?
Yeah. I gave myself a lot of bone.
You guys have a lot of food too.
Cause you know, so I'm not gonna name this.
Oh, you put too much food on it. Wow. Gotta throw that sauce on it. Fitting. I really have fitting throw that sauce.
It's fitting?
Damn. It's like the thing creeping up now.
Ooh, the hot pepper. And my mother ate this with no problem.
Like a G.
Yeah.
With no issues. Look at this. The seasoning in this fish. They know how my fish look already. I like them. I know. They said, yeah. I know season.
Yeah.
Wow.
My mother said, because my mother eat our food. When she's at home watching our videos, she's like, I know that food tastes good.
Too tough. I can't talk.
You can't chat right now?
Because I'm eating fish.
Yeah. I can't eat too much. Can't talk too much.
They're saying, why you always eat so much pepper in your...
We can't help it.
Wow.
Can't help it, man. But like I said, if we make you guys food, we won't make it so peppery. We'll make ours peppery, but not yours.
That's right.
And don't tell us, oh, family.
I can handle pepper. Yeah.
Wow.
I know you're gonna say that. Then I say, oh, I can handle the pepper. Don't worry, give it to me.
Cause we're gonna give it to you, just like how we would eat it.
And then you're gonna say, oh my God, that was peppery.
Yeah. They might think that we did it on purpose, but we didn't. That's really how we like our food.
Wow. What a day.
Ooh.
It was another long day too.
Yeah, it was. It was a good day.
It was good though.
Today was a good day.
A long was good. Yeah. Buona creep up on me, man. That bone almost catch me now?
The bone? Okay, you guys are talking. Talk too much now.
Yeah. You find bony part of the chicken?
Yeah. It's a long time I haven't had jerk chicken on the grill enough.
On the grill.
Because grill, I had to throw it out. Oh my gosh, we had such an amazing time at the wedding. And as you guys saw in the prank, oh man.
First they're gonna put up a video of me and her getting down on Instagram, so I want you to go check it out and check it on the Greedy Couple.
Yeah,
right?
go on the Greedy Couple. You'll see us getting down. Pepper, get some noise.
Pepper hot. Never say drop it like it's hot, you know?
Ooh, excuse me. Yeah.
So I know y'all want to see.
Yeah, you get to realize that we don't party like that anymore.
Exactly. Been a long time me first I touched that floor. But I know y'all gonna run up there and see it, because I know y'all want to watch. I know y'all want to watch.
One of my mother's friends, we were sitting next to her. We were sitting at the table with her at the wedding. It was my cousin's wedding. And, you know, they gave us hors d'oeuvres. And of course, Richie wants my hors d'oeuvres too. And
I want to know, why is it all so quiet? Why is it all so quiet? Because you're doing your mukbang. I can't play my music.
What we doing?
No music in the house?
No music. Wait a minute. Wait, mommy.
Family?
We live.
Mommy, we're recording, mommy.
Yeah. What the? Yeah. No music.
Oh,
And then
that's-
family.
oh my
You know
God.
what they did to me yesterday? Prank my ass in the car. I was gonna kill his mother. Listen,
Stop, Sasha.
I'm gonna go turn my music on.
Mommy,
Freaking all quiet.
I know.
Yo.
Mommy, Friday, me know.
Yo.
Nigga, police, you know. I'm gonna drop my food out. Yo, one day I grab my food and I say, officer, let me eat my food first.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah. I'm about to say, officer, please let me eat my food first.
I forgot what I was going to even say now. She loves music. Oh my gosh.
You will sit on the table and when your mother's friend.
Yeah. Oh, we're sitting at the table.
I took the
Yo.
food.
Family, this is me.
Wow.
My whole family's like that. Okay, we loud, we crazy. Boy, oh boy. So, my mother's friend, it was me, Richie, my mother, her friend, and her husband, and two other couples. And she said, you know, I watch your guys' videos. And we was like, really? I was like, we appreciate that. She's like, yeah, subscribed and everything. She wasn't the bushwatcher. She just don't leave a comment. So, Richie now, they bring the hors d'oeuvres. Mind you, family, Richie had the same thing enough. Richie.
Yo, Mike, you're telling people I like that about me.
Richie,
I didn't have the same thing as you.
Richie had the same thing. Richie not even taste his food yet, and Richie was already looking at my food saying that he wants my shrimp and he wants I had like a roll. And I said, honey, we had the same thing. You're not getting none of mine. And we was going back and forth, and Richie was like, come on, let me get it. I'm hungry. I want to eat that.
Probably we was hungry for him.
Yeah. And she said, wow, you guys act just like on camera. Like, that's how you guys really act. And we was like, yes, we're trying to tell people that's how we are. Richie, just how we act. But anyway, family, I ended up still giving him my shrimp. I said.
Yeah, family, because listen, for some reason, her what was it? Pineapple shrimp. Right? Crunchy, yeah. Whatever, for some reason, hers looked much better than mine.
Yeah, right.
So I said, you know what? I gotta jump on here early. I said, yeah, let me grab from here. And they're looking like this at the table. I said, yo.
And so we won.
It's the same. I ain't change.
Mama scared me now. I ain't gonna lie.
It's right, they're free.
Mama scared me.
Fried my youth.
You guys know you know what I do. I save my bones and chew them afterwards.
And chew them after when they leave, right?
Yeah. That's the best part too. You taste every single.
Sometimes they don't leave, you know?
Yeah, I know.
They just stay there and just watch.
Yeah.
And don't say nothing.
Nothing. That's a thing.
I know, y'all. When we say we leave it sometime, and we sit and eat our pinch, eat our bone and stuff like that, y'all just be chilling there. Quiet.
Oh.
Yo. That Gatorade tastes good as hell.
It's refreshing.
I'm tracking, son. Okay. Ah!
Honey?
Catch him.
Oh, be careful.
Juke me for my mouth, man. You asked me if what they Easter dinner would consist of?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm good. She don't like when I eat fish. She don't like that shit. Well. Yeah, your food. Don't make sure you put that down for me for later, cause right now.
Well, it's early, so.
I'm gonna get to it later.
Oh!
Well.
Honey,
Well.
family, you know Thursday is our movie night. And we watched the movie.
Delivered from Evil. But it wasn't that scary to us.
Yeah, Deliver Us from Evil.
What kind of type of movie like?
It was more of like a satanic where you're possessed by evil spirits, you know? And it's telling you to do evil things. And basically, at the end, you realize that the girl was really the devil. Okay? And it was a good movie. But I'm gonna be honest with you, it wasn't scary.
It wasn't scary like that.
Yeah, it wasn't scary.
It was good. It was a good one to watch.
But it was a good one to watch, but it wasn't scary because
I wanted something that make me jump up and out seat.
Yes.
While watching it.
Yeah, this one didn't make us jump. It made us think, like,
yeah,
wow.
Yeah, we had to think.
But not jump.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you why. For most people, if you grow up in a Caribbean island, whether it's Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, Bahamas, any Caribbean island, 9 times out of 10, you grew up believing in duppies, ghosts, spirits. And most people, for every other person, will tell you that they've seen a duppy, aka ghost. So, or people have been possessed. So for us, it's watching a movie like that. It's not that far-fetched because we honestly believe that.
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't believe it, that's fine. But we believe in spirits. We believe in duppy. We believe in ghosts. So when we watch a movie like that, it doesn't scare us because we actually believe it.
Believing,
It intrigues us, to be honest. But it was a good movie.
It was good, yo.
But we didn't jump. We want a movie where we jump.
I want something to jump, you know?
Yeah, man.
I said, oh man, I'm free.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. When I first started dating Richie, I lived on my own, okay? And
Person has been independent, son, so I know what you're trying to say. Person has been independent. I told you that from day one. Independent, that's why I'm with First Lady. First Lady, the first one let me drive in the car. Real talk. I was a scrub. Remember that song?
you was not a scrub.
I was a scrub. You know, that's the first time I jumped on First Lady, jump in First Lady car.
If you was a scrubber, we wouldn't be together.
I was a clean scrub, though. Always clean, though. I was a clean scrub.
So, and it's so funny that Richie and I lived 5 blocks away from each other. I told you guys the story already.
Some of them knew that, though.
But we lived 5 blocks away from each other, and we ended up meeting through a mutual friend. So anyway, now that we're dating, I would go to his house. He would come to my house. One night, his father, I have no idea why, unbeknownst to me, decided to tell beer duppy stories, aka
Ghost.
he decided to tell a lot of ghost stories. Don't know why. Monsieur, my father-in-law told about 7 to 8 duppy stories. I was so scared, I didn't go home for a week. I just stayed at Richie's house.
Yep. And them guys, he always seen them. Yeah. But family, First Lady was scared, real cat.
Yep.
Well,
So-
here. Right.
So that story, the story that he told me or told us, was more scary to me than that movie.
Yeah. Cause you tell them good. But family, you don't talk about it?
That's my love.
Do y'all believe in ghosts? Real talk. Or spirit?
And have y'all seen any?
Or have y'all seen any? Comment down. Where we live? We live beside a church. You know, church would be having funeral. Church would be having funeral and stuff like that. You never see nothing inside the house. But one time, I promise, I know I saw something. Not in the house though. Coming from work one night. That's the next story time because it's already gone too far in the videos. I don't stay this long, so I'm not gonna tell you the story. So
Yeah, them gone already.
yeah, they gone already. So if you reach this far in the video, say story time, Richie. I reached this far, so let me know, and then I'll tell that story, that ghost story, the next day.
Yeah.
This one is real. I could witness that. I witnessed it. So, you know what I'm saying? Because they don't reach this far anyway. You know, right?
I'm gone, man.
They've
You
been
know-
gone.
You know what I noticed
What you know the first lady?
about this straw? Is that maybe it's just me, but I feel like it keeps the juice colder. Okay, so this keeps the juice cold, right?
Insulated.
But then when you're drinking it out of this, because it's metal, it's even more colder. No, I'm serious.
Wow.
Cause I thought my lips was gonna freeze just now. Look, I'm gonna try it. What up? A water do.
It is cold.
Use the some
yeah, it's
filter.
strong. It's strong metal.
Yeah.
Because sometimes first they talk for it, you know. I gotta make sure I check it out. But it is true. But we appreciate y'all all the time. You know? Y'all came by. We shared our swim arounds with you. And a jerk chicken and a Mama Do salad. And Mama Do come video bomb us.
We talk a lot.
We're gonna talk a lot. We talk a lot today, man.
Don't worry.
Come back and just eat the thing and just leave it, make it warm after I shut off. But yeah, you know, family. So we appreciate y'all, all of y'all again, for real, for talking back to us, you know, telling us your opinion, what y'all like us to do.
Yeah.
A lot of y'all said keep talking, because we like to engage with y'all. I'm saying, because y'all feel like y'all there.
That's true.
So we gonna keep that up. We ain't gonna stop that. We ain't gonna change, you know. And keep it the same. As first they say, if this challenge is not for you, you don't have to, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
I'm not forcing you to be here, but this is what we do. We talk, we eat, and whatever. You know what I'm saying? Not for everybody. Everybody have their different preference, yeah.
Come on.
But this is a chatty channel. We talk about anything.
But don't come over here talking pure fault now because you will get cursed out.
Exactly. Don't do that. Don't do that now.
In a respectful way.
In a respectful way. We got the family members right here. We don't play them games. But for the jokes out, we appreciate every single one. New and old. Everybody's all one.
Everybody's all one.
Whoa!
No, really, Richie. Really, Richie. This is getting my nerves now.
Family, no matter what, she always get catch. Let me give them a wow. You almost let me forget the wow. Family, listen to this one. First, listen to this one. Your enemies cannot count you out because God has already counted you in.
Period.
Period.
And that's
I'ma
on
say
everything.
it again, and that's on everything. Say it again. You like that one?
Yeah, I love it.
Family, you like that one? Relate. I know you can relate to this. Your enemies cannot count you out because God has already counted all of us in.
Exactly.
That's right. So, we shared with y'all. Thank you for coming on, having this conversation with us. So if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. We are the Greedy Couple, and they are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are, we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
All right.
Honey, it didn't even feel like we was here for 25 minutes. Like I just sat down and eat my food. I said, slow me eat.
It's not that you eat food, you don't even move your food.
I eat slow, yo.
You do eat slow. I ain't gonna lie, you do eat slow for real. You slow as fuck. You coming like a turtle, man.
Like turtle.
You put on. You look like you put more up on your side, that man.
No.
And you didn't feel like I ate all that food so fast.
I know.
It went fast.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know what's wrong with my stomach, yo.
Why is that? You eat too fast? Or you eat and you're still hungry?
It doesn't feel like I'm eating fast. I eat fast?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Oh my God. You let me go do the thing with my head on?
I thought you wanted to.
No, I didn't. Look, it's not even straight and fixed good.
No, honey.
I didn't want to have this on my head.
I didn't know
forgot
that.
all about it. Look.
It look fine to me.
No, it's not straight. Look, it's not straight and it's all crooked.
Honey, you're sexy. You're handsome.
Oh my gosh, Tom. I forgot it was on my head, you know?
I didn't know.
You think I have my hair and I gotta show up my damn hair? You think I want to keep this on my damn head?
Honey, I didn't know. You're weird.
Oh my God, yo.
Because, okay.
But look, does this look straight to you?
Yes.
No, it's not straight. And do I fix my do-rag so raggedy and look like that? My gosh,
But
Tom.
honey, you asked my opinion. I'm telling you now. You're telling me. No.
Yeah.
Listen.
Eh?
When I was fixing the food in the kitchen, I saw you putting your do-rag
Yes.
on. Wait, let me finish my honey.
Go ahead.
So in my mind, I'm like, why is he putting on a do-rag and we're gonna go do the video right now? So I figured you wanted it on.
Alright, you want me to tell you why I put a do-rag?
Why?
Because I said when I get in the room, I just want to hold my hair down more to make my hair look more neater.
But you had the do-rag on the whole time?
No, I'm going to take it off when I come in here.
I know, but I'm saying you had the do-rag on all day.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. As soon as I take off my hair, it might get fuzzy fast. My hair get fuzzy fast. You let me go through the whole freaking video with this thing on my head like that.
I didn't know. I thought that's how you wanted it.
I didn't want that shit on my head. And you couldn't even tell me, because look how long they gone.
That is their fault. They should have told you.
Gosh, yo. I feel some type of way right now, yo.